For now, most of the parents are taking education as what? As a good thing, actually, because back then they were saying education is not a good thing, but for now, as I can see, most of the parents are doing all their best to make sure their children are taking education seriously. Yeah, and I encourage all people to take their children to school, because actually, yeah, it's gonna change everything.
I come from a very humble background, so do we all. And to the girls out here who think that it is not possible, it is. Because you don't need others to believe in you. Success comes from the faith within. It is something that it is like a fire that burns within you.
The retention rate in this school is very high because we have minimal dropout. That means that the Kajiado fraternity and other girls from outside Kajiado have accepted to take girls to school. Because if 316 were here and 288 are going to the university, that shows that the community have accepted to educate girls. This is really, really something remarkable that will go a long way to promote education in our country and in our county and back to the village.